Good morning, it's Tuesday, September the 9th. Lovely start to the week yesterday, and I think we could package a similar type of day today where there's a nice refreshing fall feel to start and the afternoon is pleasant with sunshine and highs in the 70s. A change comes our way tonight though. Clouds are spreading in from the south. There's a disturbance. It will be in the vicinity, and that could mean there's a shower chance late tonight south and east of New York City. And then tomorrow we're in the thick of the clouds. It's cooler, numbers are stuck in the 60s, and perhaps there's a coastal shower. And then we get to Thursday and we rebound back up to near 80, and we're back to sunshine too. I've got more details on your forecast all morning long on CBS News New York. Hope to see you there. Have a great day.